Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to Amos Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make ricotta and spinach crisper recipe. It is an Italian meal, so it's a meal we make with ricotta. So in this recipe all we need is our eggs, 6 eggs, and our salt, our flour, our ricotta cheese, our mozzarella, our milk, and our spinach. Another thing lest I forget, we need also our black pepper. So let's dive into the kitchen immediately. So right now all we need to do is to add in our milk in the egg mixture, and the milk is 800 ml, and also we are going to add in our salt and whisk them together. So right now we need to sieve in our 400 gram of our flour into the milk and egg mixture. So we are going to sieve it in. So right now we are going to stop mixing this and set it aside and prepare our spinach fillings. So let's get in. So right now it's time to checking our spinach on fire. Is ready now, so we need to off the heat and drain the little water in it. You can see there is no much water, just I need to drain just some drops of water in it. So just leave it for some minutes and then do the slicing. So right now you can see our crepes as it is, and I like making mine to be a bit brown like this, so that even if I want to just eat it with my maybe chocolate sauce or even with jam or with anything, I can eat it. But as you can see, is only one part that is more browner than the other, because I'm going to bake it still at least for 10 minutes, so that's the reason. But I like making this, like the surface of this one now, you can see is okay, and the two sides is okay, so that's it. That's the way I like it. So it is the time of slicing our mozzarella cheese. Italians love eating cheese so much because it's good for the body, it's good for the soul. It's good for the body, and it's good for your heart as well. That is why you see Italians, it is very hard you see them eating meal without cheese. Oh, they love it, and they know the right thing, as in they know the good food to eat. So it's time to slice our mozzarella and chop it, so that when we mix the two together, even with the spinach, you will not find it so hard like that. So that's why we are chopping it into cubes, or any choice at your choice. But I prefer doing it like this, so that later everything will incorporate very well. So right now it's time to begin to add the spinach and ricotta filling. So sorry guys, I didn't remember to show you when I was adding the bechamel, and because I forgot to on my camera, so that was why. Here I added my bechamel in the plate I'll use to pop it into the oven to bake it. So before adding the fillings in the crisper, in the crisps, I add in, you can see the way I'm adding the spinach filling into it in a half. I'm adding it halfway so that I can be able to fold it and do it the way it's supposed to be. So if in case you don't know how to make this bechamel, you can see the screenshot over there, the thumbnail over there. I made it in my other video. I made it in my video, so you can watch the video in my channel. You can search for it, how to make bechamel sauce, and learn it for yourself. And you can use it for many things, you know. You can use bechamel for many things. So that's the essence. So in case you don't know how to do it, it's in my channel, YouTube channel. You can look for it, search for it over there, or I will leave the link in the description section so that you'll be able to find the link. So that's the essence. I'll leave the link below or even in the comment section so that it will be easy for you to find out how it is being made. So now it's time we are arranging all our CRESPELLE. So you can see how I'm placing them. It's your choice. You can place it the way you like. This is the way I prefer placing mine because I have family, so I have family to take care of. At least they will eat from it, so I'm not preparing it for myself only. It's for my family and myself. So now we are done doing it. What we need is to pour in a bit of our bechamel on top of the CRESPELLE, and boom, you pop it into the oven and bake for just 10 minutes, 15 minutes, depends on your choice. So guys, it's ready now. We are done baking it. We bake for 10 to 15 minutes and right away it's very hot. So what is you need now is just to bring some out. So sorry guys, I lost the clip where I brought it out in the plate and do the snapping, but it's okay. So guys, thank you all for staying tuned to this channel. I really do appreciate. Thank you. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, feel free to click the red button, and see you on my next video. Bye.